Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
How are you, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah.
So, Sheikh, my question is it permissible to use a real nasheed as a ringtone, like the name of Allah is mentioned, and etc.? Jazakallah khair.
Wa jazakum. So, the question is, can we use a nasheed? What is a nasheed? A nasheed is poetry sung in a melodious way without any musical instruments. So it's a song without any musical instruments. So can one chant or use such a chant as a ringtone? The answer is yes. What about if this nasheed includes the name of Allah? Well, it is inappropriate for lots of these nasheeds that revolve only on the name of Allah, because they can sing it up and down in a very nice way, or the salutation upon the Prophet ﷺ. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Muhammad, and it is put in a melodious, I don't know if this is even the correct adjective or not. So this is inappropriate, but is it permissible? The answer is, I don't see any harm in it. It's different than asking me, is it permissible to put a Quran verse recitation? The answer is no. This is disrespecting the Quran when you put it as a ringtone. What about the adhan? The same thing goes with the adhan. It is not permissible to put the adhan as a ringtone. Having a nasheed is way different, and it seems permissible, and Allah knows best.